Hi, my name is Aisha Raya. I live on the line where fashion meets art. Come explore the world of art and design with me on my show, Fashionista At Large.
Another fall-winter collection premiering at New York Fashion Week. For the past few months, I've been draping and making patterns for designers who are showing in these tents. While I'm proud to work with the industry's biggest names, I'm itching to get started on a collection I can call my own. And jetting off to search for inspiration gets me excited for the future. My mission is to design a garment that illustrates all that inspires me about this destination.
Is it a very European sort of scene here in Sao Paulo?
I think it's really Brazilian.
Yes.
How people behave, how people sit,
Yeah.
how people talk, arms like that, you know. The thing is, here in Sao Paulo, you must have a car.
Yes.
This is a car town, and it's a club town, it's inside town.
Yeah.
I'll be checking out the city streets, sandy beaches, the art and music scene, all to get some inspiration. It's the best place to get a feel for the trends that are about to hit the streets of the world.
Here in Brazil, it's a really important thing to sell. You have to do sexy clothes. And we don't like it.
You're the perfect customer.
Honestly, this is like a wonderland for me. Like some kids go to Disney World, I go to Circus Fair. You guys do custom shirts?
Yes.
When I find myself alone.
Her brand is 5 years old, and this collection on nature, we did a lot of research on a magazine called Bloom.
And you say all this is done by hand?
Everything is handwork, everything is hand embroidered. Always like to use very bright colors. We wanted to do a pois print, and it turned out to be like almost a beehive texture.
I'm Helio from Vanguard. Sao Paulo is a great city if you're looking for clubs with real rock and roll, not the ones that you buy in the supermarket.
We were looking for the name of the band, and then Love Fox, the singer, she came up with this thing like said, "Oh, I just read on the internet that Beyonce said that she's tired of being sexy," and that's the most ridiculous thing. Is like, I'm tired of being rich.
I am actually looking for a manufacturer here in Brazil to make my swimwear. Can you help me with that?
Yeah, of course, we can.
For me, designing is about sharing my own experiences by creating garments that other people can use as tools for their own personal style. When I look back at this collection, I wanted to remind me of all the amazing places I've been to and that have inspired me. It's the ultimate souvenir.
Okay, I want to wear an Aisha original this summer.
Okay, high five.